Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing these paint pens by Arteza, and then I'm going to paint some rocks to decorate my garden with. So the version that I bought came in this box, and it is the 20-piece set. It came with a good variety of colors, and it also came with a tweezer to easily remove the tips of the pens, and it came with some replacement tips. So that's good. So here are the replacement tips, and I realized it didn't come with the one that came with the pen itself, the medium point. It came with chisel tips and a smaller tip. So now that I've taken all of them out, I'm just going to arrange it at the side and then set them up. So I'm going to use this art pad to make some swatches of each of the pens and just to set up each pen. So according to the instructions, we're supposed to shake it, then pump, and then it should be usable. When I opened this green pen, the paint was already down and the tip was damaged, so I ended up having to change it to a chisel tip because there was no other medium tip replacement in the bag, unfortunately. Changing the tip for the pen wasn't that hard. I just used the tweezer, pull it out, and put in the other one, the new one, and then repeat the process. Shake, pump the pen, and then use it. Now it's time to paint the rocks. I originally wanted to get bigger rocks, but I wasn't able to get them, so I had to buy these smaller ones at a local garden store. So I'm going to have to make these work. first things first, I decided to paint it in white first and let it dry, give it another coat of paint, and then after it dried I used the paint pens on it for the design. After spending a pretty good amount of time wondering what to put on it, I finally decided to put a heart and draw some lines in it and just give it different colors. So now that I'm finished coloring it in, I decided to use this dotting tool to put some dots around it to add to it. So this is the finished thing, the finished rock, and before I put it outside I'm going to put some varnish on it to seal it since it will be outside. Rock number 2 is just me randomly drawing some lines on it and then using 2 colors to randomly color it in. I decided to go with purple and silver. Then I just retraced the black lines to where I got paint that wasn't supposed to be there, and added some dots like the first one in black, and then that's the final thing. So these are the final stones. You can let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. Rock 1, which is the heart, or rock 2, which is this purple and silver rock. Okay, so I'm just going to add a quick clip of what it looks like outside. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.